Alright, so good afternoon. I'm back again on this vlog. I'm on my way to pick up my dream wheels. I'm not gonna tell you what is it, but about 3 miles away. About 3 miles away. Alright, so I'll tell you guys when we get there and show you guys what kind of wheels and tires comes with everything already. Alright, so we'll be back later. Alright, we're here. Ooh, he's just cleaning. He's cleaning. Look at that. Damn, boy. Alright, so okay, about to go down. Yeah.
Just a little thing, and then right
can,
there. It's
we,
just
we can avoid that once rough
yeah.
chips.
It's not really a scratch. It's just it's scratch from the paint, but not to the thing. Right here, the inside.
Oh, these are the rear.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the rear is the white. It's a little nickel there, but it's just the paint.
Okay.
Nothing to that.
Ang tanong ko, ano itong, lalabas ba ito sa white?
Oh, no.
It's gonna be flush?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be flush.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not gonna go up. Yeah, it's gonna be flush.
Okay.
Yeah, everything is here, like TPMS. All
Yeah.
you gotta do is go to what was it?
I got a TPMS sensor. I mean, the connect para mag, ano.
Yeah.
Kasi sa school,
Okay, yeah.
kasi nag-school ako sa doon na libre yung magpaano ng TPMS. But yeah, man. I just saw it. I was like, man, he still has the wheels. Let me.
Yeah,
let me
I have a guy. He's local too. He's from here, Jacksonville.
Is it? Which one is that? The one with the
Big.
dark blue?
No, it's gray with big wing. White. I think he has a white body.
Oh, what? Oh yeah, I think I saw that one. I saw that one.
He was over at the import face off.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is TE37 Ultra Gold.
Okay.
So it's not it's not a SL.
Oh, okay.
Ultra Gold.
Oh,
With
cool.
that diamond top.
Cool.
Yeah, I get my red wheels soon too.
You get the red? You getting the red wheel?
Yeah, it should be here like next December.
Okay.
Yeah, I hear man.
Yeah, let me see that. Let me see that one first. Damn. 2021. Okay.
Take that mirror off.
Masaya yung sila si Julius.
Oh yeah, he really liked
Yeah,
it
he
because
liked
it covered the whole car.
Yeah.
And that was my that was actually the first. Well, it's not the first one, but the one that will cover the. I just got it painted too, 5%.
Oh. Oh, maganda yung ano. Maganda. Carbon fiber. Damn. 2021.
Yes. I got it ceramic coated.
Yeah. Don't want to touch that one. I don't want to get dirty. So really, the carbon rotors, sa Nismo lang ba yun? O sa Black Edition?
Only Black Edition and the Nismo.
Na Nismo?
Yeah. That's why their price are different.
Somebody was selling it. I was like, 2016 Nismo edition.
Yeah, I got it filmed. So it will protect from the rupture.
Oh yeah. There you go, yeah.
I got one already.
Yeah.
Yeah, Nick.
Yeah, I mean, it's unavoidable, man. Di mo talaga ma-avoid it.
So yeah, I protected it.
But the engine is gonna be the same thing.
Yeah.
Nothing really changed, huh?
No.
Man, you should have waited on the T-spec, huh?
Huh?
You don't want a T-spec?
I have a guy. He I think he's selling for like
250, 249.
yeah 240. And I think that is that the MSRP or
No, I think he already put money on top of it.
yeah. That's it, man.
Meron nang nagbenta ng 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 bumper, side skirt at saka rear bumper for this the EBA. 10 grand. I don't want it.
Oh yeah.
They're expensive.
Because you have to get the hood.
Yeah, it comes with everything. Hood, I think comes with a fender also. Everything. $10,000. The whole kit. Hindi talaga siya white, no? Ano siya, parang pearl?
Clear coat. I don't know.
What's the color code on this one? Alright, got my wheels already. Just picked up my wheels. TE37 Ultra Gold with the diamond cut Volks Racing. Ooh. Played it on there. Yes, sir. Gotta pay to play. Gotta pay to play, man. On our way home. Damn. Broke gas now, boy. All right, first side is done. Okay, look at that. Old tires there. Look at that one. No scratches, no dings. Tread is still so good. Okay. Damn, she look different. Now she's a GTR. Whew, now she's a GTR. Damn, that should look good. Cool, just changed driver's side. Bam. Wee. Damn, she look good. It's the preview. Now she look like a GTR. It's about to torque that one. Let's torque that. Jesus Christ. Right, it's torque time. See, click. All right. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go at the bend. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. right, all torque down.